how to turn off WhatsApp notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off WhatsApp notifications on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off notifications for the WhatsApp app on the iPhone, go ahead and then basically make sure to launch the settings app here. And once you launch the settings app, you want to simply go to notifications, and under notifications scroll down in this app list and see for WhatsApp. Once you look for the WhatsApp app, make sure to tap on it, and here you'll find the toggle next to allow notifications, so you want to make sure to turn off the toggle. Now personally I don't like it having it turned off, so I'll just leave it on, but you want to make sure it is turned off if you want to disable notifications from WhatsApp. And then from there also you have to simply go to the option called Siri suggestions, and then simply look for the WhatsApp application here, and then make sure the toggle next to WhatsApp is also turned off. This way you can turn off WhatsApp notifications. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.